friends, so I know I gave you some activities to do today during our in-between breaks, but I just wanted to show you something you can do with your Play-Doh that we explored today. So I have a piece of paper, and I have a marker, and I have my Play-Doh. Since you guys already played with it, you already know what you could do with it. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So then I'm going to draw lines up so they each have their own spot. Just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're done with our marker, so we have to make sure our cap goes back on. And we're going to take our Play-Doh. We're going to go back to our ball making. So remember, we made little balls today, circles. And I want you to roll a ball. And since this says the number 1, we're going to put 1 ball in the 1 column, okay? So it should look just like this. And there's 1 for the number 1. So when we get to the number 2, we're going to put 2 balls in it, okay? I'll put that there. And then I'm going to take another piece. I'm going to roll it and put it on the 2. But that's only 1. I need 1 more. So I'm going to take another piece and I'm going to put it on top of that. So now we have 1 on the 1 and 1, 2 on the 2. So then we're going to keep going. We're going to do 3. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 4. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the 5, we're going to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So when you're all done, it's going to look something like this. And you guys are going to roll balls. I'm just ripping off pieces so I can get this and show you what it looks like. And then I want your moms to take a picture of you doing the activity, or you can send me a video of you doing the activity, but I want to see how it came out. So there's mine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so they can take a picture. If you do this activity today, send me some pictures, send me some videos so I can see that you guys did it. And have a nice day, and I will see you again at 12. Bye.